Hey everyone, my name is Jared Chontos. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the drum solo from Uncaged by the Zac Brown Band. Before we go any further, if you'd like to download the drum notation that you're going to see in this video, you can do that by clicking the link in the description of this video. I've got a free PDF for you there. So let's go ahead and break down this drum solo. It's got 3 parts or 3 separate measures. So the first measure of the drum solo goes like this: 2, 3, 4. All right, and that counting slowly is like this: 3, 4, 1, a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. So we have 2 sets of 2 flams on the snare and the tom. Do ba ba do boo boo doom. Okay, with a kick drum in between. Then we have a single flam on the snare, single hit on the tom. So think like 2 2 1 1. Then we finish it with kick right left. So this whole first part of the drum solo very slowly sounds like this: 3E and a 4E and a 1, a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 2, ready again. 1, a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 2, 3 again. Little bit slower, and 1E and a. Okay, next let's move on to the second portion of the drum fill, the second measure. This is the most technical section. It sounds like this: 2, 3, 4. Alright, so there we have 3 beats of sextuplets, which is 6 hits per beat. 1 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4, and crashes on 4 and. Alright, and here's the exact sticking. Alright, it's a little tricky, so just practice it slowly and you can build up the speed. It's like this: kick left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, and we start to build some power on those last few snare hits. Alright, so really slowly it's like this: 3, 4, kick left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, boom, boom. Ready? Here it goes again. The 1 and the 1 and the 2 and the 2 and the 3 and the here. 1, 2, 3, again. 1, 2, a little slower, get at the end. 1, 2, 3, a little. 1 more time, here it is, drum fill. Alright, once you can play that, you go into the third measure, which is actually in 5/8. But don't really think about that, okay? That's the proper way to like notate it on the transcription, but don't get confused with that. We're just playing an inverted double stroke roll that sounds like this: 2, 3, 4. Alright, now that sounds wicked fast, and it is, but it's really just a double stroke roll. If you're not used to inverting the double stroke, that's what you're going to have to practice. It's like right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, where that second note of the right stroke is what's on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And you're just trying to pull those notes as hard as you can out of the toms. You're really playing hard. Okay, now let me check my transcription to make sure I got this correct. Yeah, alright, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to start on the floor tom, and you're going to play the first stroke there: right, left, left, then move up to the middle tom, right, right, left, left, high tom, right, right, left, left, middle tom, right, right, left, left, floor tom, right, right, left, left, kick. Okay, and it's over. So you basically just go up the toms, back down the toms. So it's like. Okay, right? And then that marks the downbeat for the 7/8 measure that launches us back into the verse. So let's just play this really slow. It's like da ga 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 2, and here it goes. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, kick, kick. And again, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, kick, crash. And 2 again. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, kick, crash. And 2 again. And 2 again. All right, a little faster. 1, 2. Ba-da-da-da-ba-da-da-ba. All right, and that crash marks the start of the 7/8 section. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. All right, so we have 3 crashes on the kick and 2 crashes on the snare. Yeah, the counting is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1. All right, that's the counting to get out of the solo into the verse. Okay, all right, I know this is a lot. Let's play through the whole solo really slowly. Okay, and then I'll do it a couple more times with the track. And make sure that you download the transcription, because it'll really help you to practice this on your own after the video, okay? So here we go, nice and slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And again from the top. And 2 a little slower all the way through. All right, one last time with the track. Here we go. 3, 4. Okay, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys learned something. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss future videos. Also, make sure you go check out Scorpion Percussion Drumsticks. They are the best drumsticks. I love them. Make sure you go check them out. Use my affiliate link in the description of the video. I use the 5A model with the ball tip. Okay, thank you guys so much. I will see you in the next video.